In this video, we are going to look at how you can manage product parameters in your online store. First, on the left side menu, click on the option Catalog. Then select the product you want to manage. Once the product management window is open, you can select the category your product belongs to, enter the title, add pictures and description. Also, you can select if the product will be visible to visitors and if it is or isn't a featured product. However, you can also add and edit some advanced properties of the product. To do so, click on the text Advanced Properties. Here you can add such parameters as price, weight, availability, brand, and others. You can also adjust the product link. In addition to that, you can add multiple variations for the product by creating options. To create an option, enter the name of the option in the field. You can add up to 3 options, for example, size, color, material. After you have created the options, you have to insert all the possible variants. It's also possible to edit parameters like price and stock for each variant separately if necessary. Once everything is done, don't forget to click the button Save at the top.